This video shows you how to install an optional 550 sheet tray on your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Unpack the optional 550 sheet tray. Align the printer with the tray, and then lower the printer into place. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. When removing an optional tray, make sure to unlock it from the printer first.